Hi guys, Miss Walters here again, sitting with baby Walters. She's, of course, being very clingy. We talked about this morning. She thinks she's very funny, so there's that. I just wanted to quickly go over with you the Greek and Latin worksheets that you guys were working on this week. Again, these aren't due until Sunday, so I just wanted to make sure that you had an understanding of exactly what you were doing here. The important thing to remember when you are searching any of these terms is you want to put whatever the root or affix is, and then I want you to put Greek or Latin or something like that after it in the search so that it's bringing you to the correct term. So, for example, when I gave you this one, I had the word port already done on it because the word port, if you were to just look it up in English, it would give you the place where boats come in, right? Okay. And of course, that's all related to the actual meaning of port, which of course we know is to carry. So that's fine, but it wouldn't have given you the part that you needed to actually find the other words that use port in them. Okay, so, port means to carry. So things like portable, export, deport, import, all of those are meaning carry, okay, or bringing, all right? So when you are looking for these terms, make sure you are typing that you're looking for Latin or Greek, or that you're looking for a root or an affix, and that should help your search a little bit better to make sure that you're getting the correct meaning that you need there. So for example, on this one, if you type in SCRIB, it may try to autocorrect you to SCRIBE, scribe, okay? Similar pieces, because it's using the same root, scrib is write, okay? A scribe would be someone who writes, okay? So it's just taking that root and adding something onto it to make it into a noun. So scrib means write, all right? It's a root. You would find out that some of the words that have that in there might be inscribe, describe, all right, prescribe, even scribble, right? It's all writing, okay? So those would be some of those things that use that correct term there, okay? So if you get confused on that, just send me a message if you get stuck on something, all right? So that you don't lose any points on that there. Now, the Greek one, you're probably going to recognize more of these words over here because we use them a lot as terminology for studies, okay? So, bio, dem, geo, logi, right? Those are all terms that you hear relatively often in the school setting, so you're probably going to have a little bit more understanding of what those terms mean. But there are some, like I said, that if you type them in just looking for the English word of it, it's going to give you a different definition. Like pan, okay, the root pan, right, does not mean the same, obviously, as our word pan, right? If you type in pan, you're going to get a pan that you cook in, whereas pan here means all right? And so then you get words like Pangea, right? Pandora, like Pandora's box that was meant to contain all things good and evil. So the music station Pandora, is meant to be all the music, right? Wrapped together. So pandemic, that uses two of the different pieces that we had there, pan being all, dem being people, right? So it affects all people. Of course, if you just typed in pan and you got like a frying pan, you might have gotten some different words, and those would then be counted as incorrect. So, things like in West Virginia, how our state is shaped, we have panhandles, right? Those are called panhandles because they literally look like panhandles. They're not a term that is containing all of something. So those would not be correct. So you want to make sure that whatever words you're getting actually are related to that root or affix that you're looking for. Okay. Another one, for example, on here is meter. Okay. You want to make sure that you are typing in Greek for that. And then that would, instead of telling you that a meter is like almost 3 feet, okay, meter in this case literally means a measurement, okay, or measure. So think of things like we've talked about before, like iambic pentameter, right? That was a measurement. Diameter, right? You use that in math. It's a measurement, okay? Thermometer, right? Measures heat. Thermometer, okay? So you want to make sure that you are getting the terms that use the correct version of meter in there, okay? So if you have questions on any of those, again, let me know. I think you'll find that you use a lot of these terms on your own, and maybe you never realized exactly what they meant. But in knowing what they mean now, when you see those pieces in other words, you can kind of use that, those reasoning skills to figure out what those words actually mean, okay? So that's fine. We'll get through that. All right. So Wednesday and Thursday, so yesterday and today, those were your assignments, right? All of those are due on Sunday. Tomorrow's assignment, of course, is to read all that introductory part for the Odyssey and to write a paragraph summary on that. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'll be getting in touch with you again here soon about next week's assignment. So until then, have a good day.